Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go down and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. As it turns out, a lot of you guys really liked the last video I posted about the abandoned boat, so I decided it was about time to make another one. And my pregnant wife also decided it was about time to not be pregnant anymore. Surprise! This is my daughter Dot, and if anybody ever does anything to hurt her, I'll find you, and I'll light you on fire with a flamethrower.
Honey, the flamethrower is on fire still. The flamethrower is...
Everything's fine. Oh, I think the neighbor's calling the cops. That was fun. Let's never do that again. Anyway, being a dad is great, and kids require a lot of time and attention. But so do boats, so let's get to it. Today, we're gonna be trying to get this boat out from underneath my deck and onto this trailer.
How are you gonna get it down?
I don't know. And then we're gonna tow it to the lake to see if it floats. Or we'll just put it in the backyard and fill it with water to see if anything leaks out. All right, let's get into it. This is the best day of my life. Wow. Look at that.
What is that?
Connects the trailer to my car.
Does the trailer go on there?
On my hitch, this part. I'll show you. My
What?
plan.
Is there gas leaking somewhere?
First matter of business, we need to get this trailer down from off the ceiling.
How heavy do you think the trailer is?
Trailer's gotta be 200 pounds, 300 pounds, 400 pounds. I feel pretty good about that. Much better than I was 5 seconds ago.
That's gonna snap out.
Look, I don't have a degree in getting trailers down from ceilings.
This is basic
This is
physics.
Stand back, this could kill you. I gotta cut it off.
You just press the button.
The buttons are broke.
No, they're not.
That was sketchy.
There you go.
All right. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not feeling confident about this.
I'm not either.
I don't feel good. I feel scared. It's not rocket science, they said. It is rocket science. It's gonna come crashing down. I'll be dead. I can't do it. I can't take it down. I need people. I don't know what to do. Video's over. Cancel the video. Shut it off. Okay, I need help. A lot. I don't know how I'm gonna need 4 guys to
You
get this
wanna call
down.
my dad?
Nope.
Joey?
Yes. Joseph Spaniel, Catholic accountant.
Joey?
All right, what can we put under here?
Joey, are you okay? Oh my God.
All right, de-wood us.
He's a genius!
That's the ground here.
Holy balls.
We did it! Woo!
I managed to get the trailer down from the ceiling, which was a bit of a shit show, but there's not really a good way to do it. I've got it on jack stands. Literally has no parts on it. It's just the frame of a trailer. So I ordered all the parts. Let's build a trailer. Okay, things are going well. The trailer's beginning to look a little bit more like a trailer, but the weather's turning sour and I've got to order some more parts on Amazon. Okay, while we wait for my parts to show up, I figured that now would be a good time to address some of the comments about my motor from the last video. A lot of you seem to think that this is going to be an easy fix. Well, it's not. That engine doesn't look half as bad as I've seen before, and it'd still be salvageable. Don't give up on the motor. It might not be as bad as it looks. Doesn't look that bad at all. I've seen way worse than that, and rebuilt worse. Engine is easily rebuilt. I promise you, this engine will never, ever, never, ever run ever again. Just kidding, that was water, but the motor actually won't run ever again. There is a hole in the side of the block about the size of a coconut. So when we looked at this the first time, I don't know how I didn't notice it. All that I saw was this like black and brown sort of like sooty metal stuff. And I was like, that looks like something that's been on fire. And it was on fire. If you get in here, can you see any of this? Can you see this giant hole in the side? And you see this right here? The whole side of the block exploded. So anyway, maybe some of you think this is still an easy rebuild, and it could be, but it's not gonna be easy for me, and I'm not gonna do it. I was looking at motors at the marine store, and they're like 4,500 bucks, which is outside of my realistic budget at this point. I already went over budget on the trailer, so I would very much appreciate it if you went down and liked the video and also subscribed to my channel, so that way I can monetize this thing and make money to put into the boat. My parts should be here soon, so we're gonna go wait for those and then finish the trailer so we can get the boat onto it. Exciting stuff. Everything that I ordered on Amazon finally showed up, so I only had 13 foot of bunk carpet, but I got 16 foot of wood. I had to order more of that. I also had to order castle nuts. These are what hold the rims on the hubs, and they don't fit. So I'm just gonna put regular nuts on there. We only have a few things left to put on here, so I'm gonna get it done, and then we're gonna try and get this boat on the trailer. Okay, the trailer's done, so we're gonna go and put the boat on it now. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, and I'd be really, really disappointed if it doesn't work. But I watched a YouTube video on some guy by himself, you know, cranks on a much bigger boat than the one I've got, so I figure it should work. Or not, I don't know. You know, this is heavier than I thought it was gonna be. The other problem that we're gonna have is that we got a really lumpy yard.
Careful, you might scratch your cute truck.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear you say that. This is a lot heavier than it looks.
Shouldn't you
I
move?
can't believe we're doing this right now. Okay.
This feels like it's not gonna work. How do you know that these are the right distance apart from each other?
I don't know. I don't know anything. It's gonna work fine.
I can't believe you even remotely think this is gonna work.
You don't get the vision. In theory, I'm gonna hook this up, and when I start cranking it, the trailer is gonna go like this. These forks will go down beneath the boat, and it will slowly start winching the trailer underneath the boat. The boat shouldn't move that much. Okay, well that's a start. You know how long I've been waiting to do this for? You know how excited I am right now?
I did. There's just
This boat has been taunting me for 6 months. There we go. See? Told you. Okay, hang on. I need a chair.
wasn't for me to sit on.
Nope. I'm a little nervous that there's going to be a gigantic hole under the boat. There's a cinder block 1 foot in front of it, which means there's more cinder blocks. This is working so much better than I thought it was going to. Look, it's on the bunks.
It's on the metal.
This just isn't the way you're supposed to put a boat on the trailer. Normally boats are in the water when you put them on the trailer, so it's not going to go perfect. I don't see any major holes yet, though. The guy in the YouTube video made it look so much easier than this. Oh, no. Okay, excellent. We have damaged the ship. Not a little. Actually a little, not a lot. It might not float, but
We'll have a boat on a trailer.
we're gonna have a boat on a trailer. If I die, sell the boat. Best day of my life.
Excuse me?
Yeah, second best day of my life. Wow. This is the first time this thing's seen daylight in 40 years. Oh, it's not bad, not bad. She's seen better days. Wow. Wow, it smells like shad in there.
I'm shocked.
Who's stupid now? And it clears the metal. Look. Huh? This is the third best day of my life. It stinks bad in there. This stuff, raccoon doo-doo. Ugh.
Where are you bringing it?
I don't know. To the lake. Look at this. Look at me. We have a boat.
Well, it was $400,000.
Yes. Look
Where
at
are
me.
you bringing it?
Just a guy with a boat, just walking through the yard. You know, casual boat guy stuff, just hanging. Now we can just look at it. We should just keep it parked here.
Our
We
neighbors
can
would
see
love
it from the
that.
living room. It looks like a boat. It looks about as crappy as it did on the deck. I thought the sun might, you know. Come here, look at this.
That's gross.
It's clean. Now that the boat is on the trailer, we can look at the bottom, see if there are any holes in it. Everything looks pretty good. I don't see any holes yet. We did scratch it a little bit getting it on, but small price to pay for a free boat. Everybody knows that all great men have ships. It might not be a big ship, but it's a ship. Oh, look at this. Sea King. This boat is built to accommodate under normal conditions an outboard motor not more than blank OBC certified horsepower. Oh, wait. Oh, 50. So if 50 is acceptable, we should go at least double. 4 persons at 150 pounds per person. Since when do people in America weigh 150 pounds?
So me pregnant couldn't have gone on the boat.
Nope. We do have a key, actually, I found in the house. It fits in the hole.
Oh, you tried it.
No. What do you think that is?
I don't care. Other way, hun. No, other way.
If anybody out there has a motor that runs that they don't want in Minnesota, let me know. I'll take it off your hands. I'll trade you.
What will you trade?
My other motor. That thing's sick. There's nothing wrong with it. It's perfectly fine. Everybody in the comments of the last video said that it's fixable. It's all here. It's just ugly. All right, well, it's a beautiful day out and my boat's filthy, so I figured it's time we give it a wash. Is this the pressure washer?
That is a fire extinguisher.
Is this the pressure washer?
That is a flamethrower.
Is this the pressure washer?
C.
Okay, great, because you see how I got those confused. This is potentially very not good. That's a significant crack. Can you see it on the other side of the boat?
Oh.
You are lying to me. Is there a hole?
No.
Okay, good. Wow. Well, that was fun. I've identified a few minor, maybe major cracks in the boat, but we won't know if it floats until we either bring it to the lake or fill it up with water. All right, well, we're all out of time. See you next week.